This is a 1941 Lincoln Zephyr four-door sedan. It has the famous Lincoln V12 engine, 292 cubic inches and 120 horsepower. And it powered these cars from 1934 through 1948. That's a long history for an engine like that. Notice the twin horns there, very substantial, attached to the underside of the hood, wide white walls, and you'll notice there's no running board obvious in this car. That was a step forward in design, and you can check that beautiful interior. Certainly the equivalent of fine furniture that would be inside an upscale home. Notice the lighter that's under the side window there, and notice the push button door release on the inside rather than a handle. Continentals had a push button door release on the outside too, but not the regular Lincoln Zephyrs. And notice that very neat speedometer and the array of the gauges around the central speedometer. Very classy. One piece flat windshield, deluxe steering wheel, and you notice there's a turn signal, so that activates those parking lights on the fender. And we've got the very large fender skirts on the back. And I'm assuming these lights on the side blink, and we have a centrally mounted stoplight there by the trunk release. Very streamlined car, as you can see. Robe rail there. You have cigarette lighters on both sides in the back there. Nice wood grain, painted wood grain there on the surrounds of the windows. Very prominent heater. And I assume that dial just to the right of the speaker grill is for radio. I don't think this is equipped, but I don't know. Could be. I don't see station numbers there, but they may not be visible. Beautiful car. There were 14,469 of these Lincoln Zephyr four-door sedans built this model year, and the price was $1,541 and up.